All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting us on this channel. We say very big amen to that. Yes, so my brother, my sister, still on the matter. Yoruba nation, no going back. Exactly what it is. Exactly what the people are still talking about. Well, onto this one, a lot of things are actually going on. Many things are happening right now. The true Yoruba nation agitators have now assembled themselves together. In fact, the ones that followed Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, right now, they are now returning back one after the other. You will not understand. You will not believe what the people are actually saying. In fact, I'm going to display a lot of their comments to you, and you understand that the people are angry with Mrs. Modupe Onitiri. Okay, and then with one of the things they actually said. In fact, one of them was of the opinion that henceforth, I'm talking about the people that have been shouting Omenera 2022, Miss Modupe Onitiri Loleshe and all that. They have now realized the truth, and I think the truth came out after the people that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri sent for occupation, after they have been released, and they now found out that Mrs. Modupe Onitiri was actually deceiving them, was actually deceiving everybody about occupying Yoruba nation, about the fact that she was actually fighting for the Yoruba people. My brother, my sister, a lot of truth is now out. Truth is now out, my brother, my sister. Now the people are like, in fact, they don't want to see Mrs. Modupe Onitiri talk about Omenera again. You will not understand that we don't want to hear this woman talk about Omenera or anything about Yoruba nation, that this woman is evil. My brother, my sister, in fact, just watch out, and then you will understand what I am talking about. All right, so and then onto this one, it says we don't want to hear anything about Omenera anymore because they are dragging Yoruba nation into their mess. They are not for Yoruba nation. CSI, love, and then miss you. Well, my brother, my sister, this is what one of these people that have been following Mrs. Modupe Onitiri talked about. That as far as this movement is concerned, though, they don't even want to hear anything about Omenera. Mrs. Modupe Onitiri talking about anything Yoruba nation. In fact, a lot of them are coming. You will see things, then you understand that this set of people, they have woken up. Yes, so tell them, say, our eye don't tear. Tell them, say, our eye don't open. Now waiting to happen right now be that. Yes, my brother, my sister, you see, I've said this times to that number. As far as Chief Sunday Igboho is concerned, he is a God sent. He's a man that God actually given the mantle. Forget the fact that some set of people are coming in to deceive the Yoruba people. A lot of people are now asking that question. Okay, fine. Since they have been telling us, they have declared the Yoruba nation, they have occupied, where are they right now? That's where the problem is. So where is the Yoruba nation that they said they have declared? And where is the occupation? In fact, my brother, my sister, I'm always surprised. In fact, from beginning, I never believed all these so-called we have occupied. When I heard we have declared, I was not like, declare by who? From where to where? Now, where did you declare that there has been a lot of chaos everywhere? The governor is still on the seat. Incumbent governor still elected. All of them see elected, and you are telling us you have occupied. I was not like, who are the people believing this woman? Who are this set of people? Now look at these ones that just came out. It's only God that just saved these ones, because it would have been a thing of execution, because they charge them for treason and felony. You can imagine. And at the end of it all, they said up till now, Mrs. Modupe Onitiri have not picked their course. They were there since February. They just got released some days ago. February, they just got released in May. My brother, my sister, who did it for them, they are now proclaiming Chief Sunday Igboho's name. That this map, Chief Sunday Igboho, is actually a God sent, is actually a real person. In fact, a lot of them are now laying curses on both Mrs. Modupe Onitiri, Shoyeko Rebel, Black Lion, every one of them. In fact, just watch out for this. All right, so and then onto this one. This one is coming from Florence Adedeji. She made it clear that Moninuola Ramon alias Shoyekoribe. This one is just to tell you that the people are actually angry. They actually even called out her name. Moninuola Ramon alias Shoyekoribe. Ofolomi efonse o, ofoloma shedano pẹ̀lú àwọn followers rẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ ń bú Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run àmì àdàbí tí Sunday bá rán yín kí ẹ lọ occupy nìkan ló kù. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run àmì. You can imagine, Sunday Igboho never sent you people to go and occupy. Yes, and then now a lot of people are now coming out. These were the set of people that were following Mrs. Modukpo Onitiri. They have now, no, their eyes have now opened. They have now realized that, oh, Sunday Igboho is actually the true person that God has sent. Is actually the true Messiah for the Yorubas. In fact, my brother, my sister, I don't know why some set of people actually lose guarded. I don't know. Maybe I will not say they were charmed or something, because right now it's something that is very clear. It's glaring. You are supposed to know that anybody that must have insulted Chief Sunday Igboho in this movement, that person, you should know that that person is just an enemy of progress. You should know that that person is not actually your friend, because you cannot just come out from nowhere and be insulting somebody that actually laid down his life for everyone. Right now he's not with his possession, with everything is in Cotonou, yet you people still came out and you were giving him all sort of names, calling him Sunday Cotonou, Ajagonu Palo. You can imagine all sort of things. No, if you are a right thinking person, you should have known a long time ago that these people that are calling Chief Sunday Igboho these names, that they are not for Yoruba nation. And right, that's why you can see a lot of people coming out and they're raining abuses, curses on them. Chief Sunday Igboho is the real man. No, I tell you, Chief Sunday Igboho finally had been vindicated. And then, right now you will understand that the Yoruba people, I don't know, it's like they have been praying very well. God just wants to help the Yoruba people so that their eyes will be cleared before it is too late. It's not too late, my brother, my sister. And exactly what we are talking about. Ofolomi efonse, ofoni gbogbo ẹ máa ṣe dànù pẹ̀lú àwọn followers rẹ̀ tí ẹ̀ ń bú Sunday Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run àmì àdàbí tí Sunday bá rán yín kí ẹ lọ occupy nìkan ló kù. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run àmì. Okay, so that's what we are actually talking about. Hey, so wherever you are, my brother, my sister, hey, just have it at the back of your mind that you need to keep praying for Chief Sunday Igboho and Professor Banji Akintoye. These are the only true leader we know. These are the only true leader we have. No matter what people say, no matter what they do, forget this set of people. They are actually there. They are talking about Omi, Nera. That's what they have been calling them right now. They are just coming out to embezzle money. In fact, one of the great agitators talked about, talked about some of these Occupy people that have been following Mrs. Modukpo Onitiri. I was just laughing. She said, you can imagine that they said they looked for Mrs. Modukpo Onitiri everywhere. And to the extent, according to what she said, this same Mrs. Modukpo Onitiri that they are following, that even if they see her on the road, that even if they see this same Mrs. Modukpo Onitiri on the road, they will not even be able to recognize her, because they don't even know her. They don't know what she looks like. When she passes them, they will not even know she's the one. Yet they are there shouting, yes, so now she be our Messiah, now she go get Yoruba nation for us. So you can imagine all sorts of things. And right now, Chief Sunday Igboho finally have been vindicated. In fact, my brother, my sister, hear this. This one is so serious. This one is coming from Felicia Shekoni, okay? And then onto this one, she had made it clear that we thank God for the life of Oloye Igboho and then Pa Akintoye. Ẹni a kò gbọ́dọ̀ fi búburú san búburú, ṣó yẹ kó ya wèrè. And Dúpẹ́ Onítìrí as scammers àti black goat onírùngbọ̀n ewúrẹ́, àṣírí wọn kò ní bò, àwọn olè ọ̀lẹ ojú tí wọ́n. You see, my brother, my sister, it's always getting to a point whereby before somebody will be able to utter all this kind of statements, that means you must have pained that person. You must have done something that had pained that person. And right now, a lot of people are now coming out. In fact, in case you don't know, majority of all the Ominira followers, they have now left that group. Either they like it or not, the truth must be told. And the people have now seen the truth that, oh, so this woman have been deceiving us all this while. No wonder. You can imagine, even when she passes, they said we will not even recognize her. Meaning a ghost. Oh my goodness. Well, this is a very great one. It's an eye opener for everyone that have been following this trend, and we thank the Lord for what He has been doing for the movement. Henceforth, the great awareness, the true awareness will come out. You could remember vividly then when the awareness were going viral, where the people were moving from one state to another. A lot of people were actually ready not to vote come 2023, but before you knew it, they have seen it that, oh, if the way these people are doing their rally, that all these Yoruba people might not vote for us, so it's better we should just send somebody that will distract them. Before we knew it, they just tell us, say they don't declare Yoruba nation. Where would they wait for? Everybody was just like, so quick. How come they don't declare something that we're planning a mega rally towards? They have declared, not knowing that they were coming out to distract. At the end of it all, they now turn against Professor Banji Akintoye, started giving him names that he is a betrayer, that he is a gossip, that anything you tell him, it will not make Yoruba nation to be achieved. My brother, my sister, a lot of people got sharp. But meanwhile, they have done their worst because the people now actually voted. Hey, too bad. Well, my brother, my sister, is not too late. Right now, there is God in the midst of Yoruba people. That's the only thing I can say right now, because it has shown that Yoruba people have God. Hey, look at what is actually happening. Even with the fact that they have inaugurated, they are about to inaugurate a Yoruba man to become their president. They are still standing that there is no going back, because they know what tragedy it will bring if they decide to gawk and then leave with the presidency and all that. So that's why the great agitators who have seen what is going to happen in future, they have seen it that no, we must not listen to these people, that this one is just a strategy to distract us, that Yoruba nation no going back. No, see, new. That's why you can see somebody like Chief Sunday Igboho still remains in Cotonou, in Benin Republic, and he is still hammering it to everyone's ear that as far as this movement is concerned, that there is no going back. Well, my brother, my sister, a lot of things though had actually been said onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take, my people, on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.